we are completely demonstrating IoT solutions, so physical automation solutions, process engineering solutions and metal 3D printing solutions, and main focus is on our AMR solutions as well, autonomous mobile robots. So what you are seeing here in our IoT platform is a production monitoring system. It can be connecting to any modern and legacy equipments as well, and we have a tool life monitoring system as well, so which will monitor the real-time tool wear and tool breakage system. And we have IMES solutions completely, which is right from the material entry till the material dispatch. It can completely monitor the assembly process as such. And we have a collision detection system as well, so which will detect as any abnormal vibrations on it. And we also showcasing our physical automation solutions, where we deal with robot, cobots and gantry based solutions. And for the material movement, we have our autonomous mobile robot series, so which is with the cobot series and tunneling applications and tugging applications with the trolley and so on. And in the process engineering, we do a complete re-engineering, jigs and fixturing activities. And finally, on the metal 3D printing, so we have a hybrid-based machine and robot-based additive machines as well. All these are our 4 main verticals in our M2NXT stall. Please do visit and have a look at it.